west to the world. I hope. Yo! Message in a box. Yo. Yo!
I'm calling 911.
Okay.
Grand Junction, Colorado. Some actions really leave you speechless. Trying to take someone's cat off their own porch is just a different level. Owensboro, Kentucky. These kids pulled a bold move, robbing a store completely empty. Bismarck, North Dakota. A real scary sight for the homeowner. When you see this, you always hope it's a joke and not a real threat.
Bulletproof too?
Santa Clarita, California. It's a good thing the homeowner stepped in and made it clear the police were being called. Something tells you they wouldn't have left on their own otherwise.
Man, you can get the fuck around my house, my nigga. Okay. I'm gonna call the police, your bitch ass. You got 10 seconds, bitch ass. You got 10 motherfucking seconds. The police are coming, little motherfuckers. Police are coming, police are coming. The motherfucking police are coming, bitch asses.
Rock Island, Illinois. He backs his truck into a random driveway and loads up a four-wheeler like it's part of the plan. Some people really just don't care who's watching. Lauderhill, Florida. Even after trying to spray the camera during the break-in, it clearly didn't do the trick. Turns out it takes more than that to avoid being seen. If you're still watching, comment down below where you're watching from. Let's see where most of you are tuning in from. Yuma, Arizona. 3 people caught on camera after breaking into a home. Gastonia, North Carolina. The moment he reaches up to cover the camera, you can pretty much guess what he had in mind. That move usually tells the whole story. El Monte, California. A classic case of kids not being raised correctly. Reports showed that a group of kids kicked doors all around the neighborhood. Greenville, North Carolina. Climbing over someone's fence to get into their backyard is already crossing a serious line. Whatever he planned to do after that just makes it even worse. Bowling Green, Kentucky. Moments like this are a clear reminder to stay alert and keep your doors locked. Something inside me tells me he is drunk. Napa, California. Porterville, California. Even after hearing the dog barking, he still decided to test the door like nothing would happen. At that point, it's hard to understand what the plan was supposed to be. That's what you call karma. Bay City, Michigan. Here comes another tweaker. Let's see what this one is up to. Memphis, Tennessee. For some reason, that flag really seemed to bother him. Tearing it down like that just leaves you wondering what set him off. Warning, he used inappropriate language.
Let me read the door. Jesus fucking Christ. Ugh, I have no idea where I am.
Hey, get your ass away from me before I shoot your motherfucking ass. All of y'all. The fuck, that's like y'all third time coming over here. Do not bring your ass back.
Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This one is absurd. Thief sneaks up the porch and dares to grab a package that is almost bigger than himself.
Get out my backyard. I don't know who the fuck that is. Oh, that's a kid.
Chico, California. Looting cars at 5 in the morning. Make sure to always lock them, even if you think your neighborhood is safe. Auburn, Maine. This one is crazy. An intoxicated man decided today was a good day to steal Amazon packages. Even with the homeowner confronting him, he didn't care at all.
Those are not your packages.
San Angelo, Texas. Some people just don't care. Stealing even a tiny plant from a house is apparently super normal nowadays.
Squid! Squid!
Dover, New Hampshire. A planned robbery takes place. 2 thieves steal a saw right from the front yard. The getaway vehicle stands ready.
Get off my vehicle, man. Get off my vehicle, sir. Man, whatever, get off my vehicle.
Mission Viejo, California. A very weird sight. This woman rings the doorbell at 3 a.m. and then hides from a car. Could she be on some sort of drugs or just very weird? Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Breaking into a garage and fully on camera.
Well, they were just wide open last night because they were just doing stuff.
You're on camera. Go away.
Kissimmee, Florida. This is one of those moments that shows why an empty porch can actually be a good thing. When people are scanning for something to grab, there's nothing for them to find. Harris, California. Vandalism and filming the property. I wonder what made this woman so aggressive.
You want me to leave or no? Open the front door. Do you want me to leave? Hello?
Palm Desert, California. This robbery unfolds right on camera, and the alarms don't seem to faze him one bit. At that point, you realize some people just don't scare easily. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Another trespasser thinking it was a good idea to break and enter. This one looks confused too. Walking from porch to porch with a stick in his hand. Auburn, Washington. This definitely isn't the kind of publicity Coca-Cola would want, I think.
Get off my porch and put my stuff down.
Even after the homeowner tells her to put everything back,
down.
she barely reacts. Olympia, Washington. Faking a delivery at a random house and then taking the food right back to the car really says it all. Duluth, Georgia. Santa Clara, California. This dude had the balls to steal mail and then proceeds to hang out in the front yard a little longer. If you're feeling this video, smash the hype button, drop a like, and share it. Right now, it would mean a lot. Troy, Ohio. He tried to take the bike, but all the noise and chaos he caused. Albany, New York. Teens trying to empty out cars in the neighborhood.
Can I help you? What the fuck you doing?
Bellingham, Washington. He walked into the driveway fully masked and ready, but something made him rethink it. Farmington, Utah. Of all the things to take, he decides on tangerines from someone's yard. At that point, you almost want to tell him the grocery store isn't that far away. St. Cloud, Florida.
What's up? Why you touching my camera? I'm looking dead in your face taking a picture.
Wichita Falls, Texas. He takes his time walking off with wooden logs from the front porch, like it's just another errand on the list. Not exactly what most people mean by gathering firewood. Appleton, Wisconsin. Some people go after the mail inside, but this guy decided to take the whole mailbox instead. That's definitely one way to commit to it. Kenosha, Wisconsin.
Go away, go away, go away.